A big hello to all our viewers, and this is Dr. Arun. And this time, March, I was so lucky to have 8 participants from all different parts of the country. I think this is the first time I'm having people from all different states and 8 different states. That is the big thing which I have achieved this March 2024 for my facial aesthetics workshop. A big thank you to all you guys for coming in and joining us here. Really love you guys, and I really had a lovely 4 days with you all. So, as a ritual, I would like to know from you guys how these 4 days. I mean, we still have some more time to go, but then before we end our workshop, I would like to know from you guys how this workshop was and what do you have to say regarding the workshop, regarding me, regarding my staff, regarding the food or whatever it is. Why are you laughing? So, anyways, so let's start with, where do we start with? Let's start with Dr. Kalpana. Yeah. Yeah, okay.
So I've had a lovely 4 days, and I'm actually sad it's coming to an end. So I've done a lot of courses, but this course seems like family. They actually take care of you, like you emotionally, and they feed you and they take you out party. But that being said, I loved the science behind everything. Everything was taught like really nicely. Why? It's not so that like from skin, all the layers and what you do, so you know why you're doing what you're doing and why you can't do what you're not supposed to do. And I really enjoyed myself. I'm excited to go back and start, and I'm going to get procedure done today, so I'm even excited about that.
One thing. So, one sentence which you said was you're really sad that you're leaving, and actually, I have to say that I'm feeling sad that you guys are going to go back. I mean, leaving me here.
We'll come back. Come back for more courses.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now, oh, Dr. Ati has to say something. Yeah.
Before another review from you guys, I would express, it has been 4 wonderful days, and participants all across the India. So we're covering the whole of India this time, and starting from day one when we did basic procedures like peels, hydras, and next day we did a lot of toxins, fillers, then lasers, and this batch has been the most inquisitive and fun-loving batch. So it was it was so much fun because as a mentor, we always feel that there has to be a challenge when somebody asks us question. It also gives us a feedback, and we go back and read and come back and we become better clinicians. So thank you so much for making our 4 days wonderful, and definitely we'll all be in touch.
Now, what does Dr. Shilpa has to say?
First of all, good morning to all the viewers. Hello, sir and ma'am. It's been a routine thing. If I would like to say, like, the class was amazing, sir and ma'am has been good, because that's a universal statement everyone would make. But from my side, what I would like to say is, I am the one who have been following sir for quite some time now. So it's been like, waiting for years so that I would be associated with sir someday down the line. And for me, to get into cosmetology, it had the source of inspiration was Arun Panda sir, way back in 2019, and that will always be. So no matter, yeah. So it's like, no matter how much I practice what I achieve in life, for me, you will be my lifetime mentor, and you too, ma'am. So class has been amazing, informative, and as ma'am said, it's inquisitive. It was not that like it was other way around. We were feeded with so much of information, so much of scientific knowledge. Like obviously, every one of us had so many things to ask and get our doubts cleared. So I had a wonderful time for all these 4 days. So it's like taking back an extended family. Definitely, ma'am, sir, and my batchmates, of course, they have been truly amazing. And not to forget the support staff who have been with us throughout all of them, whether it's Mansi, Vidya. Probably I may not be naming everybody, but my wholehearted regards to all of them for smooth conduction of the classes. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Actually, this is not a class. I mean, this we are just trying to. There's no classroom, student, teacher, this thing. So I want you guys to take back home whatever. I know at least a part of it. If you can take back, I think that would be a good starting point for everything. So Dr. Manideep has been there last time with our hair transplant workshop, and now he is with us for aesthetics. So, sir, what do you have to say?
So I came in last time for hair restoration workshop, and now I'm back for aesthetics. So I had a great experience. All of us had a great experience last time, so that made us come back again. So Dr. Arvind was here last time too. So I think we had a wealth of information and knowledge. And as I've mentioned before, Dr. Aarti and Dr. Arun have been both excellent teachers, ground to earth people. So I highly recommend this course. You get wealth of knowledge and information regarding peels, Botox, fillers, threads, and to some part liposuction too.
Thank you, Dr. Mani. Thank you so much. And Arvind was also here last time. So, yeah.
Hey, hello guys. Okay, Sir and Mani has told, this is my second visit here. Actually, the problem with this institute is that if you come for once, they make sure, oh, we keep coming again and again. Yeah, we become addictive. But this course is especially special for me because we are able to we make a lot of friends when we came to this time. And the knowledge we gain, I'm not going to talk about that because it's immense. And other thing is that this gives us the confidence to just go home and start the practice. That is the most important thing. We get the confidence straight away to go and see a patient, start diagnosing, start treating, and also they help us in what all things we should get to start our practice. It's not the, what do you say, basic knowledge or something like, it's the practical skills that we gain. That's the most important thing, I think, part of this. And the other extracurricular activities, that's extremely and as sir was saying in the beginning, it's almost like a slice of India. Jay is from the north, uh, sir is from Assam, I'm from the southernmost part. It's almost like the entire India is over here, and we think we will be wonderful, wonderful students and keep his name going. ahead.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
Arvind. Thank you so much. Really love your comments and reviews. I mean, really, it was really nice. Jay, as he said, he's a young, budding maxillofacial surgeon from Bhatinda. So, guys from Bhatinda, look out for Dr. Jay. What do you have to say?
Hello everyone. First of all, I just want to thank ma'am and sir for all the teachings you have given. I won't go much into details about the things we have learned because we have learned come here at 10 a.m. We are supposed to go at 6 p.m. but it extends further and further because we have endless questions. Everything cannot be covered in 4 days, but I think in all these 4 days, what I have learned, I'll remember it for the rest of my life and add on to it. And I am so happy that I get to meet such amazing people, all senior clinicians. I'm the youngest here, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy to. Yeah, please. I'm so happy to be associated with such amazing people. I thank you all, and the supporting staff. You are amazing. Thank you so much. And I highly recommend you do come here. You will learn and remember these 4 days. No, how many days is the next course will come, but you will remember these days for the rest of your life.
I think you have to say something.
I would just say that, all of them are commenting that let's not talk about the program. So, statutory warning, they've learned enough. They have done a lot of hands-on. I think somebody has to comment on the realistic picture that, we've been slogging with a lot of patience.
You're not selfish with your knowledge. It's not like I want to teach some part of it, but I want to hold the rest of it. I said you're not selfish with your knowledge. It's not like you want to teach some part of it, but hold on to one part of it.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then there's again, everything we were allowed to try on a patient. Everything. It's not one thing that we haven't tried. And like the guidance for that, ma'am standing there and giving us the confidence. Even if someone messes up, she'll be like, it's okay. I'll handle it.
So let's pass it on to Dr. Ripan. So he's from Guwahati. What do you have to say, Dr. Ripan? As a maxillofacial surgeon, so many years of experience. Now you want to put your hands into non-surgical aesthetics part.
Yeah. Hello everyone. I'm from Guwahati, Assam. I know Sir from quite long time. I was following him, and we meet in conference also.
Yeah.
I was practicing general practice and maxillofacial practice, but I now I little bit interested from Sir. Sir inspired me, so I'll be going to aesthetic part. So I came here. It was really amazing. RT ma'am and Arun sir, whatever theory and hands-on we did, it was amazing. Thank you. I'll be needing support for
That is
rest of the
always there.
thing.
The last photograph.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you everyone. Thank you all supporting stuff. They are amazing. Thank you, sir.
No problem. So we have two Preetis this time. So which Preeti to start with? Maybe you from Orissa.
First of all, good morning. What can I say? It's actually like wow, and sir is the best, and ma'am is also best, and I'm impressed. Bas, thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Preeti.
ma'am.
Thank you, Preeti. What about you, Dr. Preeti from Pune?
Pune. Good morning. First of all, I'll tell this clinic feels like home. Trust me on this. Like you would never feel away from home. You would just feel this is just like home. And second, sir's course. It was my dream since my PG second year, like back in 2018 when I started with my maxillofacial surgery PG. That time I used to follow sir on Instagram and Facebook. So since then I wanted to do this course, and somehow it I could do it this time. And I'm like, trust me, this is more than like I ever could imagine. I have learned like silliest question. If you say me and Kalpana were the people who would trouble sir and ma'am with the silliest question, like very silly questions, but they made justice. They made all our doubts clear, even if the smallest or any question, even if we move on, we would come back to that topic and they would just answer that thing. Ki, okay, this is it, this is what you asked. Like ma'am could remember first day I could not see the retinol peels. Ma'am came yesterday and she told me, ki, okay, you missed it, you want to see it. So this is like everything is so justified, and I'm so happy, satisfied, and thank you so much, ma'am, sir, and all the staff. Trust me, everyone here is wonderful, wonderful. Thank you.
I thought you don't speak. Yeah, na? That's why- we are all surprised. See, surprises come in packages. Anyway, thank you so much, and thank you all of you for being such a wonderful people, such wonderful clinicians. I wish you all the very best in your life, and I wish to see you guys doing very well into your practices. I really, from the bottom of my heart, I would like to thank you guys for coming in. I wish you all the luck, and cheers to all of you. And I think
We would love to see your first cases by next week, positively. Whatever.
Sure.
see you
That's
don't
why
have.
you're giving us stuff to take back. So you don't have to do anything.
So that's what I'm saying. You don't have an excuse because your starter kit is there. You can't give an excuse ki abhi I don't have money to invest or things like that. Now you have everything in
Like I
place.
told you the last time, you call us here, and then you give us more than you have taken from us. You take us out for lunch, dinner, drinks, give us kits.
Anyway, so thank you guys once again. I hope you guys have you have to say something.
No, sir.
No, you can't say this. Our viewers are watching.
No, maybe
It's
you shouldn't say.
Anyway, once again, thank you guys, and I love you guys and wish you all the very good